So if you haven't got solar, or you can't have solar, a system like ours works brilliantly from taking the energy from the grid at nighttime when it's both green and low cost, and storing that energy so that it can be used throughout the day, therefore saving you something like 60 to 70% on the cost of your energy. If you have an existing solar system, or you've got the option to have some solar alongside our system, then they complement each other really well. Most solar systems have a great peak output, that's the maximum energy that they can develop at any one time. But unless you're using that peak output in that very moment, then that peak energy returns to the grid. And whilst you may get paid a small amount, today most export tariffs pay about 5 pence per kilowatt, you may end up having to buy that same kilowatt back in the evening because that hasn't been stored. With our energy storage solution, we will store all the excess solar through the course of the day, charging the batteries up in the summer from solar, and then the system will consume that power from the batteries during the course of the evening and night until the sun comes out again the next day.